Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna unbox a brand new lens here. This is the Tamron 28-75 f2.8 lens, which is a very good alternative to the very expensive Sony G Master 24-70 f2.8 lens, which is about 2400 Australian dollars here in Australia. Let's quickly open it. We've got typical manual guides and things like that, and then we've got a sticker. You can use it to stick it onto your lens for any reference purposes, or just to look cool, if that's even a thing. Let's see what we've got in the box. We've got just the lens apart from these guides. So let's open it. This thing is packed in really well, actually. Even if you're shipping it through any online shopping websites, this is going to be just as fine. No need to be worried about damaging the lens. So let's open it. Yeah, it's stuck in pretty well. This lens is wrapped in pretty well with this white paper cloth thing, or white fabric, I would say, to avoid any dust and any humidity catching the lens. So that's the lens, guys. So it looks pretty well. The size is pretty much like in middle ground. It's not too small, it's not too big. This goes very well with the small or the very well sized Sony mirrorless full frame mirrorless cameras. We've got the lens cap and the rear and front lens cap attached with it. So let's get my camera out and let's try this out. So the build quality, I would say, is great, actually, because I have used manual lenses in the past which are really good in build quality. They are all metal design lenses, though I haven't used any of the Sony's G Master lenses or any of those high-end lenses by Sony. This lens feels pretty well designed and pretty well built. I'll be testing this lens thoroughly in the days to come, so stay tuned for my reviews, my experience with this lens. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for bearing through this boring unboxing kind of experience. I'm really excited, guys, so I can't show you guys on camera. I'm really excited because this is my first kind of a professional lens. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'll keep you guys posted and see you guys soon. Peace out. Bye bye.